I'm Sam MacGregor.
I'm Danni Diston. Together we are Sam and Danni.
We both present on BBC Radio 1. We do the weekend breakfast show and Friday early breakfast, as well as a whole other load of range of shows we get pulled in for.
Yeah.
And we both started doing radio at Cardiff Uni.
Yeah, Xpress Radio. We did a show together. We applied to Radio 1 with a demo about 4 years ago
4 years ago now.
And we got our show last year, live from Cardiff. We're very proud. And we have fun. It's entertainment-based, it's breakfast, we have a laugh, and we play good music. I was shocked that we got People's Choice.
I know.
Very excited, though. It was an honour. I'm so proud.
Do you know what? There's so many incredible people with incredible stories and insane work that they're doing after leaving Cardiff Uni. So we've sat in a room with everyone tonight. It feels just amazing to be even included in the same room.
It does.
But very, very proud to be voted for People's Choice. Incredible, really.
Yeah, and grateful. We're just,
very, very grateful.
So excited to be part of the alumni crew.
Yeah. Do you know what? It's really cool to be back on campus. Fortunately for me and Danni, we've never had to leave Cardiff because we now do our Radio 1 show from BBC Wales, the first ever BBC Radio 1 show to come from Wales full time. And we both love Cardiff as a city, don't we?
We love Cardiff, very proud to still be living here, but being on campus, I must admit, is quite nostalgic. I kind of want to go to the SU.
yeah.
That's where my brain's gone. I thought, right, we need to go.
And cool to be in here tonight because this is a brand new building, the Spark building. One that I never came into throughout my geography degree in
No, I don't think I ever came in here either.
It's fairly new, it's very exciting, very beautiful. So an amazing place to host tonight's session.
For me, I don't know if you know this, I came here in 2015 to watch One Direction. Their stadium tour. It was a weird time. Zayn had just left the band. I was very emotional.
Awful.
And I was walking around the city, I was walking around the city and I thought, you know what, this place feels like home. And I came. And I've never looked back. I've literally been here ever since.
Oh.
Yeah, same year.
And how many times have you now seen One Direction in the same city?
That was actually the last time I saw them.
Catfished.
Before they broke up. Yeah, sad. But, a great memory. And I feel like a good excuse to come here. And no letdowns, no regrets. Cardiff has been the best place ever.
I think for me, similarly, even though I didn't get to see One Direction when I first came to Cardiff.
That was your inspiration.
Unfortunately, it genuinely was, and it does sound cliche, but it was real for me, like the community and like, meeting people. And a lot of people are a lot more friendlier here than they might be at the universities or around the city.
Yeah.
Like there's always some characters around and about. You go into a bar, you go into a coffee shop, you have an actual genuine chat. And for me, that actually means quite a lot. And I came to Cardiff and never looked back. It was a very lovely space to be in.